Sir, thank you for coming to Spenser&Spencer, attorneys at law.
No twerking.
That's right. We do full business, elder, marriage, any estate law, any type of law. We got you covered.
Yep.
And we're very good.
So you guys are like real lawyers?
Yes.
We took the bar exam.
So you guys know the law in and out?
Yes.
I mean, in and out of the courtroom, yeah.
In and out of the courtroom. We know the law in this room, in the courtroom, in the little room that they have in the court that you talk with your client with the cameras in it.
Sequester, yeah.
So one time in prison, we had that one client. We did criminal law once.
We make house calls to the big house prison.
We went from 9 months all the way to the death penalty. Got that guy straight up killed. But he came to us. He came to us. He said, "I don't want to be in prison." And what can I say? I think we delivered.
So you made a killing on that one.
We did. We made a killing.
Oh, we got our money.
That guy was worth a lot of money.
We always got our money.
We got most of it.
So wait, so you guys were lawyers. So what's the Constitution?
The Constitution?
And
we the people.
We the people.
Name every
of America. Guns. No slaves. Women can vote.
That wasn't in the original thing. All men.
Freedom of speech.
Equal. Yeah. Freedom of speech is a big one.
Yeah. For some reason.
I don't like freedom of speech.
Freedom of press. I've heard that one.
Yeah.
Another one.
Freedom of
press.
Freedom to press a phone number up against the glass.
Every time we're trying to do.
How do you like them apples?
Every time we're trying to have a nice normal case, we're walking out of the courtroom. The press just run up to us, asking us questions, asking us about the McGills, asking us about the Johnsons, like all these things. Like they don't mean anything. Those cases are at least a year old. I don't even think legally we can talk about those. So the press always try to get us and. Anyway, but this isn't about us. This is about you and what your legal issues are right now and how we can help you.
Yeah,
so why don't you tell us what you got going on?
So basically, this dick ended up hitting my car, and he just drove off. And it was kind of weird though because he dropped off his business card with the IOU on my on the front bumper.
Okay.
And the reason why I came here because it also says Spenser&Spencer, so I'm really curious about that. I'm just really serious. Before I go to the cops, I just really want to see which Spencer was there.
Well, let me confer with my business partner here. Let me confer with my business partner. And I'll get back to you. Business.
Yeah. Cops?
This is the car. Because I know we were partying really hard.
Yeah.
We were partying so
We're
hard
big
that
party
night.
guys.
I know. Yeah. Dude, that was it.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Party. No, but we did hit that car, and I remember.
I think we hit more cars.
You said I know. To be honest, I'm surprised only one came here. But this guy,
it wasn't a good move, doing our business cards.
No, the business card was a bad idea.
You didn't have a loose leaf.
That was my call. I know. It was just it was the only thing I had. I have so many business cards, dude. We have so many. I mean, we probably chopped down at least 3 trees just for our business cards. The amount that we have.
Right in front of me.
We're whispering?
No, hold on. We're just give it a second. We need to talk a little bit more.
Just one more thing.
All right, so he's talking about the cops.
We don't need the cops here.
We don't need the cops.
I need the cops so I can need a hole in my head, but I don't want a hole in my head.
Right. I don't need the cops so I can need a hole in the head, but I want a hole in the head. So that's clear.
No cops.
No cops here. If they start poking their noses around in our business,
they're gonna find out
that would not be good. It would be our clients that lose ultimately. It'd be the clients that lose us as lawyers.
Yeah.
So we should really try to settle this,
Settle it out of court.
Right, out of court, let's say. I mean, this guy looks a little, we could probably get him, maybe offer him
$5.
I have an idea. All right, I'll tell you what. Listen,
Before you go any further, I just looked up your business, Spenser&Spencer, and unless I spelled it wrong,
you did.
You probably did.
You did spell it wrong.
Your company lost your. It says it lost your license for.
That was a different one. Those are the other ones. That's across town. No, it's cross town. This is the old ones.
No,
it's
two S's.
Two S's. Listen, well, about your car, our car was actually stolen a few nights ago. And we don't know what happened, but we were at a business meeting
Yes.
And when we came out of the business meeting,
Hoodlums.
well, let's not put labels on them. We don't know who, but our car was gone, and we noticed that a few of the other cars parked around where our car was had dents that looked consistent as if our car had hit them.
Yes.
But we were not driving.
They weren't.
And so the important thing is that it wasn't our fault legally. Okay, so just so you know, if you tried to bring this to court, you wouldn't have any luck going against us, all right?
Not at
And
all.
just not only are we really good lawyers, but also it's literally not our fault. We were not in control of the vehicle at the time. So,
Definitely we're not.
Here's what we're going to do. Because we're so gracious and we're so nice and we're so rich, we're going to take care of this little problem for you, all right? We know a guy we have a mechanic who works with us for situations like this.
Mm-hmm.
Not that, this has never happened where it's like been our vehicle, but we've had other clients where, we've needed a mechanic. So we have a mechanic who works very closely with us, and he will be able to fix the damages to your car for a very minimal price, which we'll cover. We'll have the car fixed, brand new. You won't even know it happened. And yeah, all we ask is that you just don't say anything. You don't go on our Twitter. You don't go on our Instagram. Don't go on our Facebook. Don't go on our LinkedIn. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell your friends. Don't tell your acquaintances. Don't tell your business partners. Don't tell family. Don't tell anyone else that this happened. Because again, it wasn't us. We weren't driving.
We weren't.
It's safe to say that how we are now, we're not driving the car. It was different.
If you don't mind me asking, because I'm really curious, what business meeting were you at that day?
Because
it was a Saturday night. We don't have a lot of business meetings on the weekend.
Well, that is client privilege. But seeing as you are in a disposition here with your destroyed vehicle that I mean, to be honest, it wasn't looking too good before. So we're actually, after we fix it, it'll probably be better than how it was.
2025
It was probably no. It was crap, dude. That thing looked like that thing. Well, we saw it when it came out, and that thing.
How do you know it didn't look good before?
That thing looked like a tin can, dude.
How do you
that
know
thing looked like a crumbled tin can.
There, though.
But the important thing is it's gonna look better than that when we're done with it.
I'm just really
All right, listen. He's bored. We got to get going. So here's the thing. Just don't tell anyone, because again, it wasn't us in control. In the business meeting, it's attorney-client privilege, but we will tell you it was an owner.
TCOB.
It was
TCOB. Taking care of business.
You guys are literally missing being canceled.
Well, that's libel. That's slander. We are now not going to fix your car. As a matter of fact, we're gonna.
Go on record right now.
Well, don't say that. Don't say that. Legally, we're not. But I have it in good faith that your car, as we're speaking, is probably getting destroyed.
And the cops are right outside the door.
And no, they're not.
No, they're not.
Yes,
they're not.
I literally just called the police, and we found out that your license is expired years ago.
Officer, what officer you talk to?
Officer Trey.
Yeah, that's our
Name
guy.
and badge number.
That's our guy.
Name and badge number.
Officer Trey? That's his cousin.
Yeah.
Also, you're corrupt lawyers.
No, that's libel. That's slander.
Okay,
we'll get you on that. We'll get you on that. That's second now. That's two slanders,
two libels, and two slanders.
Two libels, two slanders that we got you on.
You hand from my lawyers.
Oh,
all right.
Us? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna be hearing from ourselves. Okay, we're gonna.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, we passed the bar. We each took half of it, and we each passed half of it.
Yeah.
I got a 50. He got a 50. Together that makes 100.
So you guys cheated.
No, I'm saying I got a 50 on it. He got a 50 on it.
I took us off to get that 50.
The 50% that I got right is the 50% he got wrong. So when you put us together, we got 100 on the bar. That's why we're Spenser&Spencer.
Yeah.
That's what we need.
Yeah.
Even though your license expired 10 years ago.
No twerking. And I think that's where we'll cut it.
Yeah.